Look at it. It is all together. It is like all together. It's broccoli and cheese cornbread. I did it. I finally did it. Can you believe I did it? I said I did it. I did it. I did it. Just believe this. I just cut my cornbread, and y'all already know, for my oldies but my goodies, y'all know that I always complain about not being able to cook cornbread and say my own cornbread always fall apart. Y'all, I had to hurry up and turn my phone on, so this is phone footage because my camera is on the charge over there. But y'all, I just cut into my cornbread. And let me tell you, let me show you what the cornbread look like. It ain't falling apart. Hey, 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 hey. Let me show y'all what the cornbread look like. I just cut the cornbread and it did not fall apart, y'all. Look at it. It is all together. It is like all together. It's broccoli and cheese cornbread. I did it. I finally did it. Can you believe I did it? I said I did it. I did it. I did it. Guys, I am so excited. I figured after a few tries, I will finally get it, and I finally got it, you guys. I am not a professional, but I'm coming around to this cornbread thing, yeah, girl. Somebody taste my dinner right now, because I'm hungry. And I can't eat a lot, but I'm definitely going to taste everything. Make sure it's good so when my family get ready to eat, they'll, you know, I can get their opinion on it. But I'm going to taste everything, make sure ain't no poison on it and nothing like that. You know, make sure ain't no poison and nothing like that on that.